talks about Make in India. And this particular bill says that it relaxes the limits to 150 days for businesses which manufacture apparel. Sir, the textile industry is the biggest provider of employment after agriculture. Nearly 2 crore people are employed in this sector. Now, the biggest sufferers of this government policy are the powerloom sectors of Malegaon, Bhiwandi, Varanasi and Surat. What is happening over here, sir, is that within the Asian countries we have an agreement that amongst themselves they will not impose anti-dumping duty on export and import of synthetic cloth. China, sir, is exporting synthetic cloth to Sri Lanka, which in turn is coming into India and which is 30% cheaper than cloth produced by Indian weavers and companies. Now for a powerloom sector in Malegaon, he cannot compete because we have imposed anti-dumping duty on synthetic yarn imported from China. Then cost of importing Chinese yarn higher than around 20% higher, sir. And this is benefiting only a handful of corporates. This is not benefiting Make in India. This is not benefiting powerloom sector of Malegaon or Bhiwandi, sir. Now what is happening because of this 20% duty, the small weavers of Malegaon, their cost of production is higher. And hence these weavers of Malegaon, Nasik, Sholapur, Bhiwandi, Varanasi cannot export their product. And as a result, they are not even getting a fair price domestic market. Now opposite, sir, you take cotton. Our statistics show that export of cotton has come down by 23%. Sir, major exports to African countries, our major export to African countries. Now this is falling because of cheap cloth being exported by Pakistan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. I request you to the government that please withdraw the anti-dumping duty imposed on synthetic yarn and polyester partially oriented yarn, that is POY, being imported from China. Your policy is benefiting only small corporates, but it is destroying the powerloom industry of Malegaon and Bhiwandi, sir. And instead, impose anti-dumping duty on synthetic cloth being imported from SAARC countries, sir. Sir, I conclude by giving figures. According to Textile Commissioner, sir, on 31st/3/2016, there are 63 lakh workers which are employed in 25 lakh powerlooms. And this is and projection in 27 is 5.84 million. Whereas in man-made fiber or filament yarn industry is providing employment only 0.28 million, and they get protection through Department of Revenue notification of number 28 of 2100 5th July. So I request to you to government that please come to the rescue of powerloom industry of Malegaon, Bhiwandi, Surat and Varanasi. The Ansari brothers are suffering. It is the biggest sector to provide employment. Once these powerloom industries are closed, it cannot be revived. They are looking towards us that this house and particularly this government will come to the rescue because their policy is to Make in India. Your Make in India's policy is not helping powerloom sectors. Please help them remove anti-dumping duty and impose anti-dumping duty on cotton cloth, sir. Thank you.